Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Naturally Netta, better known as Shanetta. And if you want to see how I got this super duper cute twist out, just keep watching. So I am actually starting off on freshly washed hair. As y'all can see, the water is like dripping all down my face. So I have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, because it is, I believe, 1:30 in the morning. I'm not going to do my twist as small, but I think I'm going to do a medium size. So normally what I do is just take a section. It don't have to be like super straight, and then just kind of split it like this. Put this back up in a clip. And then I'm going to take my Curls Blueberry Bliss. I'm going to add a little bit of this in this section. I'll just kind of rake that through. Okay, now once that's raked through, I'm going to take my Mio Organic Mint Almond Oil, and this is going to seal in the moisture. And after that's done, I'm going to take this detangling brush and just kind of detangle the section. And then once that's done, I'm actually going to take this, and I think I'm going to do, like I said, medium sizes. So maybe split this in 2. Yeah, that look about right. Split this in 2. Take this piece and kind of just put it up here. And then I'm going to take my Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout. About this much. Oh, my section came down. Add it to the section. Getting this out the way. Next, I'm going to take this 3-row comb and just kind of comb it out, detangle it again. And then I'm actually going to split this in 2 and literally just twist. This piece just won't stay up. Now once you run out of hair to twist, don't mix it. Just take a little bit more and put it at the end, and then I just finger coil it. Then have a twist. So I'm going to do the same thing for this section. And a little Blueberry Bliss.
Ladies anthem bumping through your speakers. Now you got the vibe to stop and make you feel good. I got it, you can have it too. Pop it every single day, doing you. I'm hypnotic, can't stop it. I keep the party rocking. Positive, I only don't have.
Once I get to the end, it's a little dry, so I always add a little more. Continue to twist. And then once the hair runs out, just kind of finger coil the end. Yep. Okay, so now that I am finished, this is the completed look. Okay, y'all, so it is the morning time. I let my hair dry for about, I believe, like 9.5 hours. So I'm getting ready for church. This is how it looks. I end up taking the clips out before camera, so those are taken out. So next I'm just going to use the Mio Organic, the same mint almond oil. I'm going to pour some of that in my hand, rub it together, and then I just kind of want to put it all over the twist. Once that's done, I still have oil on my hands, so I'm going to maybe pull some of these up into a ponytail just until I take a few of them down, just because I want them out the way. You don't look like they're gonna stay. Okay, so the proper way that I unravel, because I already have oil on my hands, you want to make sure that you have oil on your hands, because if not, your hair can turn out frizzy, and also you want your hair to be 100% dry, because if not, your hair can be frizzy as well. So I still have oil on my hands, and the only thing I do is untwist the opposite way that I twisted, and then I pull apart. Now, as you can see, good definition. And then so what I do is I just separate where it automatically separates.
Move your body cause you're loving the way you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up,
Okay.
catch that frame, cause beauty is your name. Oh, oh, oh. All this hating, I ain't got time. You the baddest thing walking, girl, but so am I. Ladies anthem bumping through your speakers. Now you got the vibe to stop and make you feel good. I got it.
Okay, so now that I'm finished, I'm going to go through and just feel and see if there's any pieces that I want to loosen up. It feels like everything is fine.
Never gave a damn about what they say, cause I handle all my business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, let them catch that frame, cause beauty.
Okay, and next I'm going to take my pick. This is a little pick. I don't know where my big pick is at, so I'm going to use this one, and then I'm just going to lift my hair. And when you lifting your hair, you want to lift the roots, not necessarily comb through the twist, but you want to lift the root part. See the difference from this side and this side?
Can't hate forever, ladies. Not just buy together, we get through together. We make moves together, we can fly together. Make it through whatever, we can thrive forever. Beauty is our name. Cause we loving the way that we walk. We move our bodies cause we loving the way that we talk. One time cause we're confident. We clap 2 times cause we own it. We never gave a damn about what they say, cause we handle all our business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, let them catch that frame. Beauty is our, move our body cause we're loving the way that we walk. Move our body cause we love the way that we talk. One time cause we're confident. Clap 2 times cause we own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause we handle all our business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, let them catch this frame. Beauty is our name. Beauty is our name. Beauty is your name. My name is our name. Your name is my name. It's our name. Your name is my name. Our name. Your name is beauty is our name.
Okay, so now that I'm done picking, this is what it looks like when I picked it. Now I didn't pick too much because this is first day hair, and my hair tends to get frizzy often. so I don't pick really big for the first day, because by 2 days later it'll be super big. And then next I'm going to take this edge booster, edge control, and I'm going to just take my little edge brush, take the comb part, and kind of put a little definition to this part.
What they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, let me catch that frame, cause beauty is your name. Oh, oh, oh. All this hating, I ain't got time. You the baddest thing walking, girl, but so am I. Ladies anthem bumping through your speakers. Now you got the vibe to stop and make you feel good. I got it, you can have it too. Pop out every single day doing you. I'm hypnotic, can't stop it. I keep the party rocking. Positive, I don't have it, keep walking. I move my body cause I'm loving the way we walk. Move my body cause I'm loving the way we talk. One time cause I'm confident. I clap 2 times cause I'm on it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause I handle all my business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, let me catch that frame, cause beauty is my name. Oh, my name. Oh, beauty is my name. Beauty is my name. Say beauty is my name, 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 name. Oh, it's about time for us to go and come together. Can't hate forever, ladies. Not just buy together, we get through together. We make moves together, we can fly together. Make it through whatever, we can thrive forever. Beauty is our name. Move our bodies cause we loving the way that we walk. We move our bodies cause we loving the way that we talk. One time cause we're confident. We clap 2 times.
Okay, so y'all, this is the final look. Super defined. Let me show y'all the back. Okay, so this is the final look. I will be back to show you guys how I sleep at night, how I maintain my twist out for a couple of days. So please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel so y'all can get all of those notifications and that information. Also, thanks for watching. I love y'all. If God's willing, I will see y'all in my next video.